Well, welcome once again. This is the Doctor of Digital at the Doctor of Digital podcast. The purpose of the show is to transform your business and life with education and inspiration. I introduce busy business leaders to trends in business, technology, and marketing to highlight people you should know. Did you know that within the Microsoft Dynamics world, experts can tailor solutions to not only large corporations, but also help small businesses thrive? With an expert, diverse background spanning sales, project management, and executive leadership, a business leader brings a wealth of knowledge to the table. Today, in this upcoming episode, I'm introducing a person we can dive into some signature topics, from selecting the perfect dynamic solution for your business size to harnessing the power of AI and everything in between. Thus, get ready to unlock the true potential of Microsoft Dynamics for your organization. During this upcoming episode, I'm joined by Greg Williams, a man who's practically lived and breathed Dynamics for over 2 decades. At Western Computer, this reflects his entire and deep understanding of the Dynamics ecosystem. He's not just a technical whiz, but also a seasoned strategist who's helped Western Computer explode in growth. During this upcoming episode, we'll do a deep dive into the changes and hot topics of Microsoft Dynamics for business growth and successfully running a company. We will leverage the expertise of my upcoming guests and how to navigate the unique dynamics of the field. By the end of this upcoming episode, you'll be better equipped to know what to do, and I encourage you to contact my upcoming guest, Greg Williams, VP of Strategy, Western Computer. Until that next time, make sure that you are liking, subscribing, positively reviewing, and sharing the Dr. Digital podcast. Until we see that upcoming guest, Deus Volt.